VoiceBox Meta, a game changer or a threat? Welcome to our video on VoiceBox Meta, where we explore whether this revolutionary technology is a game changer or a potential threat. VoiceBox Meta is an advanced voice recognition system that has gained popularity in recent times. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of VoiceBox Meta, highlighting its impact on various aspects of our lives. 5. Pros and cons. Join us as we delve into this fascinating topic and weigh the advantages and disadvantages of VoiceBox Meta. Hello everyone and welcome to our video on VoiceBox Meta. In this video, we will analyze whether this innovative technology is a game changer or a potential threat. As technology continues to advance, we witness remarkable innovations in various fields. VoiceBox Meta stands out as a cutting-edge voice recognition system that has gained significant attention. However, it is crucial to examine both the positive and negative aspects of this technology to understand its implications fully. Pros of using VoiceBox Meta. 1. Convenience and efficiency. One of the major advantages of VoiceBox Meta is its unparalleled convenience and efficiency. With this technology, tasks that once required manual input can now be accomplished through voice commands. VoiceBox Meta allows users to interact with devices effortlessly, greatly enhancing efficiency and productivity. 2. Accessibility. Another noteworthy advantage of VoiceBox Meta is its potential to increase accessibility for individuals with various disabilities. This voice recognition system opens doors for those who struggle with traditional input methods, allowing them to engage with technology in a seamless and empowering way. 3. Time saving and multitasking. VoiceBox Meta enables users to save time and multitask effectively. By using voice commands, individuals can perform several activities simultaneously, such as sending messages, setting reminders, and browsing the internet. This hands-free approach provides a level of convenience and productivity that was previously unimaginable. Cons of VoiceBox Meta. 1. Privacy concerns. While VoiceBox Meta offers various benefits, it also raises valid privacy concerns. As this technology continuously listens to our voice commands, it potentially collects vast amounts of personal data. The security of this data and potential risks of unauthorized access must be carefully addressed to ensure user privacy. 2. Reliance on internet connectivity. VoiceBox Meta heavily relies on an internet connection to function optimally. In scenarios where internet access is limited or unreliable, the effectiveness of this technology may be compromised. It is important to consider potential limitations and dependencies before fully embracing this voice recognition system. 3. Misinterpretation and errors. Another drawback of VoiceBox Meta is the potential for misinterpretation and errors. While advancements have been made in natural language processing, miscommunication can still occur. Errors in voice recognition may lead to inaccurate commands and frustrating user experiences. As we conclude our exploration of VoiceBox Meta, it is evident that this technology brings both advantages and disadvantages. The convenience, accessibility, and time-saving capabilities make it a potential game changer. However, concerns regarding privacy, reliance on internet connectivity, and the possibility of misinterpretation highlight the need for cautious adoption and further refinement. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth analysis of VoiceBox Meta's pros and cons. Thank you for watching.